Hey everybody, we're going to install the Dogecoin Core node. But before we do that, I wanted to educate you on the basics so you know what you're installing. This is GitHub. It's like Pornhub, but for code. It's owned by Microsoft, and it's a place where we can host open source code. The code itself is owned by nobody. That's the beauty of open source, and anybody can contribute. So if you want to help out, you can. Sign in, make an account, sign in, give it a star. If you give it a star, it helps other developers find the project, and they may want to contribute. So it'll speed up the progress of development if you log in and give it a star. So if you want to make it more awesome and very wow much faster, do that for the dev team. This tab I just clicked on, the discussions tab. Here you can read about all the discussions they're having. GitHub is it's a social network collaboration tool for programmers. So you can read all the discussions they're having about the future of the project. This is the projects tab. It's kind of like a Trello or a to-do list, if you will. So you can see what they need to do, what's in progress, who's working on it, and what is done. This is a good way to see how far along they are on each next major release. The next thing we're going to do is go to the website, and we're going to actually just install it, which is really, really easy. I wanted you to know about the GitHub part, just so that you're fully educated. This is the wallet for holding your coins. That's not what we're getting into today. Now, we do have this multi-coin wallet, the multi-Doge. It's cool. But what we care about most is this Dogecoin Core. I'm on Windows. I clicked the Windows installer. We're going to run as administrators, so Windows doesn't give us any problems. Looks like I messed something up. Yeah, let's try again. Run as admin and just follow the prompts. Make sure you have enough space. It's about 2 gigs. You can put it anywhere on your hard drive. That's cool. Let's launch it for the first time. It's just going to take a minute to load everything up. It's a little slow the first time, but once it loads up the first time, a lot of this will be cached, and it'll spin out right up on boot. The idea here is that you want to leave it running all the time. It doesn't take a lot of system resources. So this warning is 7 years behind. It's updating right now. It's catching up. But read the warning. I'm just not going to go through it. So this is if you want to import your private key, if you have another Doge wallet, this is how you can get addresses, your send and receive addresses. In options, click this little blue ticky box. This just starts it automatically when you turn your computer on, in case you forget. Because the whole idea here is that we want our nodes running all the time. So Dogecoin is always super fast and super cheap. This is another important ticky box. That's this one here. That one, the very bottom one. This is so that if you accidentally click the X, it doesn't exit out the program. It'll just hide it in your taskbar. Because a lot of times you might accidentally hit the X and forget to restart the program, and then it loses the benefit of making Dogecoin super fast and super cheap. I think I've belabored the issue. Yeah, such send. Oh, wow, much receive. I'm 7 years behind. This is going to take forever, but you can see it's running. We have the node running. Just let it fly.